My full name is Andy Linnenkohl. I've been with Keytronic for about a year and a half, and I am currently a senior manufacturing engineer. I had been somewhere else, did a full career at a couple of other companies down in Colorado. Toward the end of 2019, 2020, I decided it was kind of step away. I called myself retiring, which clearly didn't work, but it kind of gave me an opportunity to step back and figure out what I wanted to do. In the process of that, I'd actually bought a house up in Montana. The idyllic retirement life was what I was setting out. One of the things that I was doing with the house was I needed to replace a door. Home Depot could not deliver it to the backwoods of Montana because it's like 4.5 hours away. So I actually had to drive from Montana all the way to Spokane Valley to pick it up. As I'm doing that, I actually saw the Keytronic business off the side of the road showed up on the navigation app. And taking you farther back, when I was a kid, my dad, who worked at IBM, had given me a computer, and I had then promptly dumped a Coke right on the keyboard at some point later. And at the time, this was about 82, 83, it turns out Keytronic made replacement keyboards. So Dad came home with a Keytronic keyboard, and that was on my computer for years. Flash back forward, I'm driving down the road to Home Depot to get my door, and I see Keytronic, and it was one of those things that's like, hey, I know that place. Went back to Montana, put my door in, and then about a year later decided I was so done with being retired. We sold our place in Montana, and my wife and I moved here to Coeur d'Alene, and I started looking for a job back in the same industry that I've been in, which was electronics manufacturing. Pretty quickly found that Keytronic had a job posting for a manufacturing engineer. So put two and two together, put in a resume, and got hired. Here, Keytronic has an entirely different feel. It's a smaller company. It's a company with great history. I mean, we're talking 50 years, but they've stayed small, and it has a family-owned feel to it. It has a grouping feel. There are people who've been here for 40, 45 years, pretty much since the door opened. So the size is so important. It's still small enough to be agile, and it's still small enough for what you do to matter. I know guys who've got 20, 25 years in the industry who looked for this their whole career and never found it. And I feel extraordinarily lucky that I did.